Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Engineer Ahmed and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the working principle and industrial application. What is a pressure transmitter? So the pressure transmitter is an instrument used to measure pressure of gases or liquids. It also converts measured pressure into an electrical signal for monitoring and control systems. So, what are the key components? Main parts of a pressure transmitter is pressure sensor, transducer, which detects the physical pressure, electronic housing, which converts and conditions the electrical signal, and output circuit, which sends signal to the PLC and DCS. Now, what are the difference between the transducer and the transmitter? So the transducer basically converts one form of energy to another. For example, pressure to electrical signal. Whereas the transmitter amplifies and sends that electrical signal over long distance. Now, how it works. So the working principles, basically, it's the pressure medium contacts measuring diaphragm, and then the sensor element, such as the strain gauge, capacitance, converts this pressure to an electrical signal, and then the electronics amplify and linearize the signal, and eventually that will go to the output typical range between 4 to 20 mA or 0 to 5 voltage. Now, the pressure measurement types includes the absolute pressure, which is relative to a perfect vacuum. We have also the gauge pressure relative to the pressure, or relative to the atmospheric pressure. And then we've got the differential pressure, which is different between 2 points. The output signal, basically, it's a signal standard in the industry. We've got the 4 to 20 mA current signal, most common for process controls. And then we've got the 0 to 5 voltage, or the 0 to 10 voltage alternative voltage output. And then we have the signals correlate to pressure range between 0 to 100%. Now, the applications, so where pressure transmitter are used. It can be used in the pipelines and vessels for process controls. It can also be used in level measurements by differential pressure, and as well the flow measurements via DP elements, such as the orifice plates. Now, the advantages and the benefits of using pressure transmitters are accurate real-time pressure data, can provide also remote signal transmission capability, and the compatible with the automated systems such as the PLC and SCADA. And in summary, the key takeaways are converts pressure to usable electrical signal, interfaces with the control systems, measures different pressure types such as the absolute gauge differential, and common industry output, which is between 4 to 20 mA current. With that, thank you for watching and see you next time.